Hey team, Shaden here from Mooch Style. Welcome back to our channel and also welcome back to our 1940s brick reno journey. So today, well actually this week I'm going to be painting the ring foundation of our house. I'll show you soon, but basically it's in pretty bad condition paint wise. No need to remedy any cracks because that's already been done. But what I'm going to be doing is basically just water blasting and prepping the area to paint. And then I've just been down to Resene, who we are brand partners with, and checked out what they have in store for this project. So I've got three colours here. I've got one called Squall, which is quite a flat, sort of greyish brown colour. And then I have double iron sand, which is a warmer browny sort of charcoal colour. And then one that's a little bit more dark and grey, which is called Nocturnal. We've actually used Nocturnal before on our last house. And yeah, I'm keen to give it a go and see how we get on. Before we progress team, make sure you click subscribe, follow, all that biz. And as always, if you've got any questions, hit us up below. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and paint these three samples on the house. Georgia is at work right now, and when she gets home from work, I'll be able to show her, and hopefully we'll be able to decide on one of these colours. Right, let's get started. I'm not quite convinced that we have all the options we need. This sealer is a pigment sealer, so the team at Resene said it's crucial to do this first to block colour, but also to make sure that your top coat's going to stick, because if you don't have the sealer on the bottom, that's when you start getting the flaking. So really important that you put this down. And also like that prep work is super important. So I'm just going around water blasting, nothing special. We've actually got that product beside you there, Mooch. It's a wet and forget product, double bubble house shampoo. So I'm actually spraying that on, giving it a small scrub. You don't want to be too rough, especially because it's brick. And then water blasting off. And that way you can like chip the paint as well, which is quite good just to get rid of that old paint. Yeah, it is really hot here in Christchurch. What is it like? Probably around 30 degrees. So we're sunscreened up and ready to go. But anyway, team, let's get into it. Right, Mooch is about halfway through painting the ring foundation. How's it going, Mooch?
Oh, I'm over it.
It's extremely hot, which doesn't help. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So the sealer just goes on, and then we'll, I don't know, like just let it dry today, you reckon?
Probably already dry.
Yeah, it probably is. And then apply the next coat of colour. But we were just saying that we need to do the sills as well, so I'll probably sand those back.
Decided to chuck a coat of paint on now. So this is Resene Lumbercider Bokara.
Yeah, Bokara Grey.
Bokara
And it is
Grey.
also the cool tone. So top tip with Resene paint especially is that they can make the darker colours with a cool tone. So
We did this at the last house on our front porch.
yeah,
so
that's right. So basically, like with the heat on it, it kind of like reflects the heat almost.
Yeah.
So it doesn't heat up and crack your concrete. So
And we're also going to paint in there
yeah,
maybe tomorrow. But yeah.
probably tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Shall I put a first stroke on to show the fans? Here we go. If it's not work, here we go.
Beautiful.
It's a nice colour. So it's like quite a charcoal, almost like it is a dark grey, but it's quite like a muddy black sort of colour.
It's nice.
We have finished all the painting, so that's looking very good. And then we've looked at this garden like the whole time we've been here. It's just like a bit meh.
Yeah.
So we've just popped down to Mitre 10 and got some plants. We've just got a whole heap of random things and we're just going to plant it and then just let it go crazy. But I found this massive root. So I'm going to see if Frankie can get it out.
Frankie, come on.
Get this.
Get it.
Get that.
She's like the root. She's the root cruncher. Hold it. Hold it.
Get that.
Hold it. Go
Get
on.
out.
Hold that. Come on. Hold it.
There we go. Easy as that. I was like, look, we're going to have to cut this out. Jane's like, no, Frankie's got it.
Frankie's got it.
Good girl.
Yeah, so what plants we got here, Mooch?
We have Bokara So White.
Has it got a name on the back of it or what? Or is that it?
That's it.
That's it. So these grow to what, 70 centimetres? That's this one down here.
Suitable to edge driveways or tough soil areas. Very hardy, we love that.
Yeah, so all these plants, team, are like good for full sun because that's what usually goes here as well. So
We've got silver golf ball.
So this is a pittosporum, I believe that's the label there. They look like pittosporums. Yeah, pittosporum 10 silver ball. So these ones are the ones that you literally trim into like a golf ball. You see them in like manicured gardens. I thought that once these things, they don't grow too big, but once they grow up, it could be quite nice with the golf ball there.
And then that's just some time.
Yeah, so that's a good ground cover.
I think I said it grows to 40 centimetres, so
Yeah,
it spreads quite a bit.
yeah,
Maybe I need to move that forward.
yeah. Potentially, she's a bit close. Now over here, team, what's our plan, Mooch?
We're potentially going to edge that off to match that one, because
Yeah.
it's just a bit weird.
So I'll have to YouTube how to do that.
And then we'll put some like white roses in there, I think. We had roses in there, ripped them out yesterday.
Yeah, so there were some big, and they were big old roses. Actually, I'll show you the root. It's in the trailer here. That's the root there. It's massive, absolutely massive. So, yeah, we'll just box that up, and we're thinking just a white standard rose in each could be quite nice. And then we need to paint up there as well. So that strip up there will be painted. We are going to be replacing and renovating the sophites, redoing, probably like we'll employ someone to recoat the roof. And then the job this week is also to paint this, paint the front porch. So we'll do that in the same colour. We'll be happiness filled, just like
Paint the
Frankie is
front
here.
door too.
Oh yeah.
And the windowsills.
And the windowsills and the front door. She's never ending, team. But yeah, there it is.
Thanks so much for watching, team. This was such an easy project and it's changed the house so much. We would show you the whole thing, but we've still got lots of projects to do, so you will see it eventually. Don't forget to like and subscribe.